Togo, the legal harassment of journalists Ferdinand Ayité and Isidore must stop, says Angela Quintal. Togolese authorities should drop all legal proceedings against journalists Ferdinand Ayité and Isidore Kouwonou and allow them to work without being harassed or threatened with arrest, the Committee for the Protection of Journalists, CPJ, said on Monday. The two journalists have been summoned to the High Court of Lomé, the capital of the country, for a trial that will begin on Wednesday, the 8th of March, according to press reports. Court documents examined by the CPJ and the journalist's lawyer, Elom Kpade, who spoke to the CPJ by telephone. Authorities accuse Ayité, director of publication of the private newspaper El Alternative, of insulting public authorities in reporting the newspaper, and Kouwonou, editor-in-chief of the newspaper, of taking part in this alleged crime. Court documents cite articles of the Togolese Penal Code relating to the criminal insult punishable by imprisonment of up to 2 years and a fine of 1 million West African francs, $1,619, spreading fake news punishable by up to imprisonment up to 2 years and a fine of 2 million francs, $3,238, and writing fake news, punishable by up to 3 years in prison and a fine of 3 million francs, $4,858. The Togolese authorities must immediately stop legally harassing journalists Ferdinand Ayité and Isidore Kouwonou and allow them to work freely, said Angela Quintal, coordinator of CPJ's Africa program, in New York. Journalistic comments on matters of public interest should never be criminalized, and summons issued to such journalists should be deleted immediately. The case stems from an online program broadcasted by El Alternative late 2021, in which Ayité and journalist Joel Iga discussed allegations of corruption involving 2 government ministers and the accusations that they manipulated the public. According to this information, Iga died of heart attack in March 2022. In December 2021 the police arrested Ayité and Iga for this broadcast. Kouwonou was also summoned by the police that month. According to court documents, Ayité and Kouwonou have published and distributed fake news on social media, capable of disturbing public peace. Article 172 of the Togolese Press Code stipulates that offences involving journalists must be dealt with by the communication regulator, but Article 156 stipulates that journalists who have used social media as a means of communication to commit such offences are rather punished accordingly to common law provisions. CPJ summoned prosecutor Mohamed Alika for comment, but no one responded. Committee to Protect Journalists.